day, everyone. I'm teacher Ana Manalastas. All you need is a long pillow that you can fold a few times so you can get into your deep stretches safely. Let's begin. Come into your butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together, open the knees out to the sides, and scooch your butt cheeks out of the way. Instead of bringing the heels close to you, bring them forward. And you can bring your pillow on top of your feet. Take a long breath in. And exhale, relax. And start to reach your chest forward. And then round your spine. And slowly rest your forehead on the pillow. At this point, you might be feeling some stretches along the sides of your thighs, your inner thighs, and your lower back. Allow the body to relax and surrender. Relax your ankles and toes. Soften your thighs. Unclench your buttocks. If you want to go a little deeper, you can adjust your pillow, bring it a little further away from you as you fold, and that's going to give your spine a little bit more rounding, allowing the spaces in between the vertebrae to breathe. Creating space in between your shoulder blades and the upper back as you relax your shoulders, your arms. If you want to go even further, you can take away the pillow completely and rest your forehead onto your feet, allowing your body to feel grounded, connected to the earth. Breathe through whatever discomfort you may feel. Know that it doesn't last forever. Relax and breathe. Now walk your hands underneath your shoulders. Roll your spine up one vertebra at a time. Exhale, you can roll the shoulders up, back and down. Then you can bring your hands underneath your thighs and lift the knees, helping yourself out. You can swing the knees from side to side like they're windshield wipers of a car. And this helps to release some of the tightness and the pins and needles you may be feeling. Extend your legs out in a wide straddle and bring your pillow onto the left side. Take a long breath in and a slow breath out. Inhale, both arms reach up to the ceiling. And exhale, bring your left hand down, extend your right arm up and over your head. If you want a little bit more height so it doesn't feel too deep on the right side, you can fold your pillow maybe into half, and that gives you more leverage so that you can stretch out the right side body gradually. Relax your buttocks and feel the expansion of your right rib cage as you breathe. Over time, if you want to go deeper, you can take away the fold of your pillow and go a little lower. Relax your shoulders. We are exposing the right side of the body, lengthening not only the side of the belly, but also the rib cage, the arm. And eventually you can even extend both arms straight and just lie onto the left side. Please do not rush your practice. If you find that reaching the arm over the head is uncomfortable, you can rest your right hand onto your thigh or on the ground. Continue to breathe. Ting. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, come into center. Notice the stretch on the right side. We'll do the other side now. This is what's called your half dragonfly. Extend your legs out. Inhale, arms to the ceiling. Exhale, right hand down. We lean over to the right and extend the left arm over the head. You can adjust your pillow so that it supports you in a way that you feel comfortable, and you can approach your stretch without panicking, without feeling scared or uncomfortable. And relax. Continue to breathe and let your breath be the one that helps to expand your left side body. Relaxing your shoulders. Relaxing your jaws. If you want to go deeper, you can adjust your pillow once more. The lower that your elbow goes, the deeper the stretch on the opposite side. A part of your yin yoga practice is really learning how to check in on yourself so you can gauge when is the right time to go deeper or to pull back. This is wisdom. We don't need to rush into the deepest position. Instead, we can respect and honor the body that we have. At any point, you feel like you may be wanting to go deeper, then you can extend both arms straight. You can also rest your left hand in front of your thigh so it doesn't feel too uncomfortable. It's more important that you stretch the left side of the body, and the shoulders will simply follow. Surrender to gravity. Surrender to time. When you're ready, gently lift yourself up. Coming up to sit, breathing in here, and then exhale. Now, let's help our knees up one at a time. And let's come into tabletop, which means you're bringing your knees underneath your hips, hands underneath your shoulders. We're coming into what's called your puppy. Take a deep breath and arch your back. And exhale, walk your hands forward and rest your forehead on your pillow. Make sure that your hips are over the knees so that it gives you enough height to allow your spine to cascade down and to decompress from your lower back down to your thoracic spine or your middle back. Relax your shoulders. There will be a lot of stretch in the chest, in the shoulders, and depending on how you feel, maybe even your throat. It's more important that you can breathe though, so if you need to adjust, go do so. Take a deep breath in, lift the chest. Exhale, draw the chest forward, and you can adjust your pillow so it goes underneath your torso and fold over it. Letting your spine rest. Letting your back recover. You can shimmy your hips from side to side to shake off any kinks. And now we lift the chest. Exhale. Let's come into caterpillar. So you're sitting upright, extending the legs straight. You can fold your pillow a few times to help catch your torso as you fold. Take a long breath in. Exhale, reach the heart forward, and then round your spine as you rest your forehead on your pillow, letting go. If you want to adjust your pillow, go for it. As long as you feel like there is enough space in the body to accommodate your stretch, to accommodate going deeper. Eventually, you can even take away your pillow, rounding in towards yourself and allowing the back to stretch out. Relax your shoulders and continue to breathe. Trust that where you are right now is exactly where you ought to be. Breathe in. Breathe out to let go. Walk your hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, roll the spine up into an easy seat. Exhale, roll the shoulders up, back, and down. You can stretch out the sides of the neck. Do it slow, please. And then let's cross our shins for a short meditation. This meditation is simply so that we can reconnect to our body, appreciating the stretches and the relief that we are experiencing, appreciating the time that we have spent to take care of ourselves from the inside as well as the outside. Thank you so much. Namaste.